Magandang buhay! I'm Teacher Maricar of Angeles Elementary School. Today, you will learn a lesson in mathematics. Today, we will discuss about illustrating the properties of addition, namely commutative, associative, and identity properties. Let us start with this problem. Ben and Lito were chosen to represent their school in a math contest. In the easy round, Ben scored 9 points, while Lito scored 8 points. In the average round, Ben scored 8 points while Lito scored 9 points. The score of Ben is 9 and 8. The number sentence is 9 plus 8 equals n. The score of Lito is 8 and 9. The number sentence is 8 plus 9 equals n. If we add the score of Ben, we will get 17. If we add the score of Lito, we will also get 17. What did you notice? Very good. Even if we change the place of our addends or digits, the answer is still the same. We call this property as commutative property of addition. Even if there's a change in the position or order of the addends, the sum remains the same. Here are the other examples. 5 plus 4 is just equal to 4 plus 5. If we add 5 and 4, the sum is 9. If we add 4 and 5, the sum is also 9. The same goes to 6 plus 7 and 7 plus 6. If we add the numbers, you'll get 13. The same as 7 plus 6, you'll get 13. Let us try another example. Ben got 17 points during the easy and average rounds, and 0 in the difficult round. Find the total score he got in 3 rounds. For the easy and average round, he got 17 points. Added to the score in difficult round, which is 0, the total score is 17. What can you say about the equation? Very good. The answer remains the same when added to 0. This property is what we call the identity property of addition. When a number is added to 0 or 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. For example, 0 plus 8 is also 8. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 0 plus 11 is equal to 11. Let us move to our last problem. If Ben scored 9 points in the first round, 8 points in the second round, and 10 points in the last round, determine his scores after 3 rounds. If there are 3 or more addends, we can find the sum by grouping the addends. The addends can be grouped in 2 ways. First, we group 9 and 8. Then we add it to 10. We add first 9 and 8. The sum is 17. Then we add 17 to 10. The sum is 27. The other way is we group 8 and 10. We add first 8 and 10. The sum is 18. Then we add 9 to 18. The sum is 27. This property of addition is what we call the associative property. Even if we change the grouping of our addends, it does not affect the sum. Going back to our example, on the first equation, we group 9 and 8. On the second equation, we group 8 and 10. But their sum are still the same. This time, help me identify the property of addition shown by each illustration. The equation for this illustration is 4 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 4. If we add 4 and 3, the sum is 7. If we add 3 and 4, the sum is also 7. What property of addition shown by the given example? Very good. It shows commutative property of addition. There are 8 cups added to 0. The equation would be 8 plus 0 equals 8. What property is shown? Very good. It shows identity property of addition. Let us try this one. We will write first their equations. On the first equation, 3 and 6 are grouped together. On the second equation, 6 and 4 are grouped together. The sum of the first equation is 13. The sum of the second equation is also 13. What property is shown? It shows associative property of addition. Help me identify the property shown by each equation. 6 plus 5 equals 5 plus 6. Their sum is 11. What property of addition is shown? It shows commutative property of addition. 0 plus 25 equals 25. What property is shown? Identity property of addition. 5 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 7 plus 3. On the first equation, 7 and 3 are grouped together. On the second equation, 5 and 7 are grouped together. Their sums are 15. What property is shown? It shows associative property of addition. 78 plus 0 is equal to 78. What property is shown? It shows identity property of addition. 2 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 2. The sum is 9. What property is shown? It shows commutative property of addition. I hope you learned something from our lesson today. Thank you for watching. See you again.